Starting over after divorce. 7 life-changing steps to rebuild, heal, and thrive. Divorce can feel like your whole world has been flipped upside down. The pain is real, the loss is deep, and the question echoing in your heart is, now what? If you're struggling to find your footing after a breakup or divorce, you're not alone, and you're not broken. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 7 transformative steps to help you rebuild your life, rediscover your identity, and move forward with renewed strength and purpose. Hey friends, I'm Anthony, and welcome to this space where we tackle real-life challenges and turn them into opportunities for growth. Divorce isn't just the end of a relationship, it's the beginning of a new chapter. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, numb, angry, or even relieved, what comes next can be confusing. But today, I want to guide you through a practical and emotional roadmap to help you start over and not just survive, but thrive. The 7-step guide to starting over after divorce. Step 1. Acknowledge the pain and grieve the loss. Let's be honest, this hurts. Whether the divorce was mutual, sudden, or years in the making, it leaves a void. You've lost more than a spouse. You may have lost a friend, a co-parent, a routine, even your sense of identity. Grieving is healthy. Cry if you need to. Journal your feelings. Give yourself space to process the pain. Don't rush to move on. Healing takes time. Just like any deep wound, if ignored, it festers. But if treated, it will scar, and eventually it won't hurt the same way again. It's okay to not be okay, but don't stay there. Step 2. Build a support system. You don't have to go through this alone. One of the biggest lies divorce tells you is that nobody understands. But there are people, friends, family, therapists, even online communities, who are ready to walk this road with you. Consider these practical ideas. Join a divorce recovery group. Seek counseling or coaching. Schedule regular time with close friends. Even a weekly coffee with a friend can be a lifeline. Healing multiplies when shared. Step 3. Rediscover who you are. During marriage, it's easy to lose sight of your individuality, your dreams, your hobbies, your unique spark. Now's the time to reconnect with you. Ask yourself, what lights me up inside? What did I love doing before the relationship? What have I always wanted to try but never did? One woman I coached found healing through painting, something she hadn't done in 20 years. That hobby became her therapy and eventually her business. You are not just someone's ex, you are someone becoming. Step 4. Create a new routine and structure. Let's be real, everything feels upside down. You might be waking up in a quiet house, handling co-parenting schedules, or dealing with financial uncertainty. Creating structure helps reduce anxiety and gives you a sense of control. Start small, set a morning routine with purpose, plan your meals, schedule time for rest and reflection. Structure provides emotional safety, something you absolutely need right now. Small routines rebuild big confidence. Step 5. Tackle financial realities. Money stress is one of the top triggers after divorce. Whether you're navigating child support, splitting assets, or budgeting on one income, this part is hard, but you don't have to panic. Start by listing your income versus expenses, meeting with a financial planner or advisor, exploring new income opportunities if needed. You're not just surviving, you're laying the foundation for financial freedom. Facing your finances head-on is an act of empowerment. Step 6. Make self-care non-negotiable. Now more than ever, you need to take care of you. And no, self-care isn't just bubble baths and spa days, although that's cool too. It's about protecting your energy, feeding your soul, and strengthening your body and mind. Okay, here are some ideas. Daily walks or workouts, mindfulness or prayer, healthy eating, and journaling or reading. The goal? To nurture the version of you that's becoming. Self-care is not a luxury, it's your survival kit. Step 7. Set new goals and create a vision. This is your reset button. What do you want life to look like 6 months from now? A year? Start with one goal, something that excites or challenges you. A fitness goal, a travel plan, a new course or career move. Vision gives you momentum. You are not stuck. You are starting again with experience, strength, and purpose. The best revenge after divorce? Rebuilding a life you love? My friend, you may feel broken, but you are not defeated. Every painful ending carries the seed of a beautiful beginning. You have what it takes to rise, stronger, wiser, and more alive than ever before. If this message helped you today, do me a favor. Click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Let me know, what's one thing you're doing today to move forward? Your story could be the hope someone else needs. And hey, click the links in the description for some powerful resources, exclusive products, and support tools to help you keep growing. Until next time, I'm Anthony, reminding you that the best is yet to come.